Hello and welcome back to my little garage. Today I have a rather nice example of Gibson SG. The only problem with that was rather poor condition, cosmetically that is, because it was playing absolutely fine. Nevertheless, I've got it all stripped down and ready for paint. First we're going to do primer, then we're going to smooth it out a little bit and do some custom work on it. So what's so special about this project, you asking me? Well, nothing really, apart maybe from the fact that I'll be dealing with the majority of it with rattle cans. Enough talk, let's get it done. Cheers. That's good. This area was particularly badly affected. It was lots of scratches and so that had to be sanded smooth. The rest of it can stay as it is. I'm going to wax some primer on it now. It's all prepared as it should be. So let's see what can we do with just spray cans. Okay, I hear you. I cheated a little bit. I used a stencil. I did. Not exactly my style. But you know what? It's December 21st I'm doing this. 21st evening. It's dark outside. And I still got lots of work to do, including clear coat, probably two coats, and polish. So if I want to make it in time on Christmas, as that's what this project is all about, then I need to get all the help I can get. Stencil? Well, judge me if you want, I don't care. Gotta get it done. Right, moving on. And this time around I used the airbrush as well. I've done some sunburst kind of effect. And I've played with different colors. I use candy blood red and transparent purple over here and a bit of blue to get that mixture of effects. And I put some pearl as well on top of it. You can't see it now, but once it's clear coated, hopefully it will come to play. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to mix blue purple candy with my clear coat and give it a couple of coats. I'm not quite sure, I'll be honest with you, I'm not quite sure what effect that's going to have with that sunburst going to purple and then silver sparkle with a blue candy. But you know what? Let's experiment a little, right? Guys, I will see you when this bad boy is all ready. There we go, guys. This is the ready product. It does have a couple of minor imperfections here and there, but I still think I produced a pretty good result with the amount of time I was given. It's Christmas Eve right now, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I just finished right in time. I need to pack this bad boy up and, well, hopefully place it underneath the Christmas tree. See what happens. I didn't plan it to candy go all that dark, to be honest with you. I told you I'm experimenting with it a little bit, but in the end of the day I think it's a happy accident because I really like that dark darkness of it, really. You can see the true color of it when you shine the light through it. Like with the candy skull on the back, you can't really see it until you move it, you put some light on it, so that's pretty cool effect, I think. Again, I didn't plan it, it happened by accident, but I roll with it. I don't think it's too much in your face. It's nice and classy looking guitar, and hopefully it will be played by my beautiful girlfriend, who will enjoy it for years to come. I'm not a guitarist, I'm a bass player, so I'm not gonna even pretend I know what I'm doing. Guys, having this opportunity, I wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Hopefully 2021 will be better than 2020. Well, let's face it, it can't be any fucking worse, can it? Guys, have a beer or card, and I'll see you very soon.